make a free website with free domain names step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a website for free without having to pay for hosting or without having to pay for your own domain name. So let's get into it. Now, I'm going to be doing this process with Wix. Now, the reason that I am going to be doing it with Wix is that it allows you a lot of beginner's ease. So if you want to keep everything simple, if you don't want to waste a lot of time and you don't have a lot of experience, but you still want to create a gorgeous website, I would definitely recommend that you try out Wix. Now, you're just going to go onto wix.com and you're going to click on sign in over here at the top right. Now, once you click on sign in, if you don't have an account, you're just going to click on sign up over here, and I'm just going to enter a email and then I'm going to enter a password, or you can continue with your Facebook or Google account. So I'm just going to log into my account and I'll get back to you guys in a second. So once you have signed up, this is going to be your basic dashboard. So you can see over here you have your My Sites, you have your Explore page, you have a Help, and then Hire a Professional. Then on your right you have your account settings, you have your notifications and messaging, and then you have your basic dashboard. Now, to get started with creating your own website for free, you're just going to click on Create New Site over here at the right. And this is going to open up a new tab where you can get started with designing your website. So first off, Wix is going to ask you a couple of questions. So what kind of website are you looking to create? I want to create a basic kind of a fashion related website. So I'm just going to search for fashion over here. So I want to be a fashion photographer, and I'm going to click on next, and then you can add whatever kind of website you're looking to create. Now after that, Wix is going to provide you with several different templates for you to work with, and this is why I really do love Wix, is that they have such a great variety of templates that you can choose from. If you have a lot of experience with web designing and you are a bit more familiar with how to create your own website, you can just click on blank templates over here, and then you can get started with just like basic layouts. So these are just layouts, empty layouts, and you can fill this in with your own website information. And then if you want to click on more, you can just take a start from scratch template and get started from scratch. But I'm just going to go on to the all template section, and I'm going to just search for templates. I'm going to search for fashion within the templates, and then I am going to scroll down and see and browse the templates until I find something that I like. So I'm just going to keep on browsing, and I really like this template, so I'm just going to click on edit. So you can view templates before you start editing, but I'm just going to click on edit and I'm going to get started with editing my template because Wix has really simplified the process. You have all of this good and amazing content out there where you can just customize it to add your own flavor to the overall websites, and then you can totally make it look like your own website, and it looks gorgeous, and it's really simplified for people that are not very tech savvy or not really good at design. Now you can see my template has been loaded. On my left I have my navigation panel to edit my website, and then I can just scroll down and start editing. If I click on this section over here at the left, I can take a look at the pages that I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on menus and pages at the left over here, and I'm going to delete all of the pages that are already here, and I'm going to add my own custom pages. I'm just going to delete these, all of these, and then I'm going to click on add page. I'm going to click on, I just want to add like a blank page, and I'm going to click on this. I'm going to rename this into latest collection like this, and I'm just going to click on done. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the background image. So I'm just going to search for, I'm just going to use this background, or maybe I'm going to use this one, and I'm just going to use this as the background page. And now I'm going to go back into my home page, and I'm going to change the text from here. So I'm going to change it into Jane's Fashion Fantasy like so, and I'm going to elongate the text from here. So I'm just going to open up the box a bit to make the text go vertical, and I'm going to move this section up. I'm going to take this image and I'm going to click on manage media, and I'm just going to edit out this image into a more pink image because I really want to make it look a bit pink, or maybe this image. So I'll just use this image at the front, and then I can add this over here, and then I can add a title to the image, which is going to be welcome. I'm going to click on done, and now I have changed up the image. Now after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back onto my basic page, the latest collection page, and I can click on add over here, and I can add whatever kind of fashion. Maybe if I want to add like a collection of my images, so I can add a image grid. So for that, what I'm going to do is I can first off add a grid and then add a image section over there, or first I can just add the images one by one and then later on form a grid with that. That's totally up to you. So what I'm going to first do is I'm going to click on over here and I'm going to add a list. So I'm just going to scroll down, or maybe I'm just going to add a image directly. So I'm just going to click on image. I'm going to use free Wix images. Obviously you're going to add your own images, you're going to upload your own media, or you can use any royalty free images for your website as well directly from Wix. You don't even have to open up any other platform. So you can just search for pink model, and I'm just going to add this image. I'm going to add to page, and I'm just going to resize it like this. I'm going to undo that. I'm going to drag this image over here, resize my image, place it over here, and then I can add more images as I go and as I have a increase in my collection. But you guys get the point of how you can add your images. Now once you have designed your or customized your website accordingly, you're just going to click on preview or publish depending on if you think your website is ready. You're just going to click on preview, then you can preview how your website is going to look. Once you have your preview, you can just click on publish over here. And now your website is ready to be published. Now what you can do once you have published your website is that you can customize your domain name obviously, and you can click on edit your mobile site to change how it looks on mobile. And once you have done that, if you go back into your Wix account over here and go into your my site section, you're going to find your actual website dashboard where you can manage your website from later on. You don't have to open up your website editor. You can just manage all of your analytics, your marketplaces, your SEO optimization. All of that good stuff is going to also be present in your Wix dashboard. So you can see over here, I have just opened up the website dashboard. This is my site. I can just click on connect your own domain if I have my own domain, but we are using a free domain. So you can click on edit site over here to open up the website editor, or you can rename your website as well. So you can click on rename website and then change your site name to, I'm going to change to Jane's Fashion Fantasy. I'm just going to click on save over here. And now this will change the URL or the domain name of my website. So I'm just going to wait for that. And now that is being refreshed. So now if I refresh my website over here, you can see now it's Wix Home Jane's Fashion Fantasy. It's going to say that over here. And you don't have to pay for a single thing for such a gorgeous and professional website. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to create your own website for free with a free domain name and free hosting using Wix. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.